before you go into any shops in the Philippines, you've got to drop your bags off. They don't let you take bags into the shops. And of course there's guards on the door, and when you come out they've got to sign your receipt. You can see there's alarms on the door. So when they go into this shop, they're taking your temperature and he's spraying your hands with alcohol. So even though, right, there's hardly any customers, the shop's still full of staff. I don't think they've laid any staff off by the looks of it, what I can see. There's loads of staff and not a lot of customers. Normally these shops, this in Hong, you can't walk around, it's that crowded. But obviously not at the moment. But as from the 1st of June, I guess it's all going to change. So he's signing the receipt, look. Well, there's quite a few shops not open here yet, guys. These are normally all open along here, lot. Plaza's still all boarded up. We'll go and have a look, see if there's anything new on Plaza. Open for business and there's nobody in. Oh, there's one guy. Oh, eggies.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. My favorite. Have one more, that's 2. Nice. Well, it's me done there. Oh my god, there's music playing. So it'd be good to walk around, guys. And I'm guessing around about the 1st, when everything opens up, all this will open up. I think they've kept plazas shut to stop people congregating and sitting down, because this normally, guys, as you know when you've seen me other videos, this is buzzing. Centro Plaza bit here, it's absolutely chock-a-block with people, loads and loads of people. Yeah. you just gotta force your way when you're here with traffic and stuff, because they're not going to stop even if on a crossing. A crossing doesn't mean the same thing here as it does in the West. Ah, look at this now. It doesn't look really that much different, apart from they took the skateboard thing down. Yeah, this is finished. This will be open. Bet you any money, the 1st of June. this will be open. Let's just have a look round this side where the skate park was. We'll see what it's like now. These are waiting for trikes to take them to SM. Let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look. Now, if you look directly ahead, the skate park used to be there. They've resurfaced it, but no skate park. But I'm guessing by June 1st, all this will be gone. It'll be open. Let's just have a look round here. Sorry, I'm just thought I saw somebody I knew then. Let's have a look at the stand. See what's going on.
090.
I'm walking around, I'm forgetting my mask isn't fully up, and that's what they're there for. You haven't got a mask. So yeah, there's nothing going off here, look. Everything's been took down. So that's it, guys. Until the next video, I've had my shave. There's a live stream tomorrow, which will be Saturday, but you'll not see this video till sometime next week, I'm guessing. So until then, guys, hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed, because YouTube's unsubscribing a lot of my subscribers. Hit the notification bell and click all, so when we post a video, you're the first to know. And please share our videos. And don't forget, guys, if it isn't for you, we wouldn't be able to keep going. So keep watching them adverts if you don't want to help us in other ways. If you watch the adverts, that's giving us a little bit of money. So until the next video, guys, we'll see you. Bye bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,